Hello everyone, today I'm doing some neck bones, and I have here some sliced white onions, and I have about 6 whole garlic cloves sliced. So what I'm going to do after I season the neck bones, I'm seasoning it with Creole seasoning. I'm using a little bit of Cajun seasoning. And what I'm going to do, I have some broth boiling. I'm going to boil them a little bit and then finish them off in the oven. And I'm going to put some barbecue sauce on them and let them bake. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm using some garlic powder. Excuse me, guys. The spice from the Cajun choke you up a little bit. So I'm going to use some black pepper. With the broth, it's going to, with all the seasonings and stuff, it's going to bring the flavors together. And I have a little ground paprika. You can season yours to your taste. And with the garlic and onion, it's going to add some flavor. Then the barbecue sauce also is going to add to the flavor. So I don't like to over season the neck bones, because all the combination of the seasonings with the broth and the garlic, fresh garlic cloves is the best, but I also use some garlic powder. But all these combinations of flavors is going to come together. And like I said, you can season it to your liking. If you want to add a little, a bit more, however you can. So what I have here is some broth boiling. I'll show you. So over here I have some broth boiling. So what I'm going to do is let them boil for about 30 minutes in the broth, and then finish them off in the oven. I'm going to add barbecue sauce and let them finish cooking, baking. So yeah. Then we're going to add the white onions. I have like a whole sliced white onion. Like a medium to a large. It don't matter. Whatever you want to use, you can. But the whole garlic cloves. You want to use the whole garlic clove. I mean, that's what I like. It adds flavor. So we're going to add this in the pot here. With the onions and all that. As it cooks down, you can finish. If you don't have enough room, depending on the size of your pot, you can add the rest of the onions and stuff in there as it cooks down. That's all these flavors with the garlic and garlic cloves and onions is going to bring all these flavors together, and then the added barbecue sauce is going to bring, so you don't need to season a whole lot, just enough, but like I said, season to your taste. Okay guys, I'll be back for the next step as this boils for about 30 minutes, and I'll be back.